Pro seller badge equals more sales. Here's how to get it on Walmart. Also at the end of the video, I'll show you where to access free Walmart training. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so here is what the Pro Seller badge looks like. You can literally see, type in Fitbit, and then you'll see Pro Seller. They got a special badge, and it actually says, Pro sellers are top performers with a proven track record of creating great shopping experiences for customers. There's a lot of benefits other than this little shiny blue badge that they give you, but let's dive in. So here is some of the benefits right now. This is actually in seller.walmart.com. So if you're a Walmart seller, you're gonna go to growth and then you're gonna go to the Pro Seller tab right here. You can see right now our client's account is on the Pro Seller badge. They've got that little badge. They have a lot of benefits as well. So you can request capital from Walmart. You get a 25% off shipping, Pro Seller badge on all your items like I just showed you. You get listing discounts. I guess they give us $75 back, review accelerator, and then at some point they'll also give you faster payout. So up to 10% increase. Hey, can't complain. I'm sure they're gonna be adding more benefits in the future. It helps credibility, and it pretty much helps you not get suspended on Walmart. But if you scroll all the way down, these are the metrics that we need to hit, and we're about to go through every single one to make sure you get that Pro Seller badge. Okay, so the first one is seller accountable on-time delivery. Okay, so pretty much you need to make sure that all of your packages arrive on time. And in order to achieve this, I just recommend converting all of your listings to WFS. That's Walmart Fulfillment Service. You can see it right here. If you don't know how to do that, at the end of the video, I'm showing you where to access free training. But pretty much, you can see mine's at 100% because I'm utilizing Walmart for my shipping. Next is seller accountable cancellation rate. And then this is, right now, mine's at 0%. You want it below 1.5. Again, if you just ship via Walmart WFS, you're going to be able to achieve this within 90 days. Because it says past 90 days, right? So again, these two, all you need to do is just convert all of your listings to WFS, ship them into Walmart, and then within 90 days, you'll automatically achieve these ones. The next one is the seller response rate. So all you have to do is respond to customer messages within 48 hours. And again, we're at 100%. Our team, our job is to respond to customer questions within 24 hours. 48 hours is more than enough. You can always just hire a customer service person or just remind yourself to check the messages every 24 hours. But they give you 48 hours, so you have extra time. Again, shipping score, percentage of items offering free expedited delivery. Just make sure your items are offered and you're offering expedited delivery, right? To get this, you can just convert your listings to WFS again. So converting your listings to Walmart Fulfillment Service, waiting a little bit of time, and then you'll hit that 100% mark. Right now, you only need to get 50% for this to get the badge. Content quality score. Now, this one is a little bit different. Pretty much, Walmart has its own content quality score where they grade your listings to see how good they are. Your goal is to get it into 75 or above. Right now we're at 81%. So as long as you're above 75%, you're good to go. And that's making sure your title's not too long, right? You have all the back-end features, all the key features are mentioned, the color of the product is correct, things like that. So what you can do is you go to the growth tab, the listing quality button. Now you can see where ours is at. You can already see the sales metrics too. So any listings that aren't optimized to Walmart standards are going to be considered poor. Anything that's good is going to be considered good, and anything that's excellent is in this category. Excellent is above 80%. You can see our excellent listings right here are in the last 30 days are generating so much more money than the other ones. So it's in your best interest to optimize your listings to the best listing quality score possible. You can see this listing right here. If we scroll all the way to the right, it says our listing quality score is excellent, and we want to get this as high as possible. Right now it's at 88%. We want to get it to 100%, and it literally tells us what to do. You can click 18 issues, click on the actions, And then it's going to actually tell you step by step how to optimize your listings to get the listing quality score higher. So the item name, I need to improve that. It literally is going to tell me what to do to improve my item name. It's missing the number of battery. So it's just missing things. All you have to do is just edit your listings, make them better, and then you'll be able to hit that listing quality score objective of just having 75% or higher. Price competitiveness. Walmart compares your prices to Amazon's. So what you can do is go to this pricing tab right here, and then you can type in your SKU, and it's going to tell you if your price is bad or not. If it's not good, and let's say somebody on Amazon is selling the same exact product for cheaper than yours, that's going to decrease your price competitiveness. Walmart, they're well known for having the cheapest prices, or at least matching Amazon. So you have to do the same if you want to achieve this pro seller badge. So what they're doing is they're comparing your listing to Amazon's listing and seeing what does your price sell for compared to Amazon's. If it's the same price, that's fine. If it's less, that's great, because Walmart's slogan is save money, live better, Walmart. So they want customers to save money, and it's really about price. So if your price is off, it's gonna have like a little warning sign right here next to the competitive price. It's gonna have a warning sign, and then it's gonna ask you to decrease your price. Walmart automatically has tools that analyzes Amazon and then make sure if your product is on Amazon that you have the same price as Amazon or cheaper. If your price is more expensive on Walmart than it is on Amazon, there's going to be a problem. They're going to have a little error, and it's going to be hard to achieve this. But only 60% of your items have to be priced better, so not too difficult. After you do this and you convert your items to WFS, you make sure you're hitting all these scores, you're optimizing your listing quality score, price competitiveness. Pretty much after 90 days, you'll automatically get this pro seller badge. You're going to get all these benefits, and then you're good to go, because not a lot of sellers have that pro seller badge. You can check right now, not many. Is it worth it? Hell yeah. But thanks for staying towards the end of the video, and to access free Walmart training, you're literally just going to go to Google and type in Walmart seller training free. And then the second link right now, it says Seller Academy. This is what you want to access. They have extremely good training. You should go through all of these. It even tells you how to utilize WFS if you're like, what the heck is that? How do I enroll in that? Highly recommended. Not only is it going to push you to page number 1 and help you generate more sales, but it's also going to get you that pro seller badge. And that's it for today's video. What's been your biggest struggle with getting Walmart's pro seller badge? Drop your thoughts below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.